Hey guys, I have received Utada Hikaru's latest vinyl record releases here from CD Japan, and I am slightly annoyed about how much I paid for this, but I will get into that at the end in case you don't care about that. Go ahead and unbox these. That's ATEEZ's latest mini album, and you probably don't care about that. So I got the first press, I think, yeah, the first press bonus item, which is this highlighter. It's cute. It has the anime drawing of Utada on there. I think you could get this in 3 colors, but it was maybe store specific. So obviously this one is the green one. And here's the Pappaparadise single vinyl. So very securely packaged, looks good. So I just got my little mini ruler out to see if I can measure it, and this is 6 inches, so it looks like it's about 7.5, maybe just 7 inches. So let's open it up and see if they included any pictures in here. There's the fold inside. Oh, it looks like a poster. Oh, that's very nice from the video shoots. This kind of looks like blood, but I wonder if it's supposed to be like the pizza sauce. Oh, and there's actually a print on the inside of the sleeve there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It says Pappaparadise in katakana. Oh, the disc is already on its way out. I appreciate that it comes in this paper disc. It's going to be easier to store back in there than those really flimsy plastic sleeves. And there's the disc. Nice simplistic design. So there's that. So this single release actually features the song featuring someone Hirota. I have listened to that. I'm not going to get into it here in this unboxing. Okay, so I think last time I unboxed vinyls, I was trying to cut this part open, and that's how I cut through the sleeve. So let's be careful. Oh, phew, okay. They are full-size vinyls. I don't know why someone online was saying they're like single size, so I thought they were gonna be like this big, but maybe they meant something else, So the bagging worked, you guys. We finally got Utada's English discography, well, excluding her very, very, very early works. This is the one, an Exodus on vinyl, and they are also remastered. This one looks like it has some residue. Hopefully it's just on the plastic sleeve. It's just like dust from the warehouse, I think. I hesitate to even open this because I do have the I do have those sleeves that you can reseal like I just did with this one. I have a pack of them that I can use for my vinyls because it has this like sticker on here, but I don't know. It's a repressing, so it's not like it's an original. However, this is part of the first run, and if you guys have been keeping up the Utada news, I'm sorry I haven't made a video about it. There is something on this press that is a mistake. And again, I won't go into too much detail in this video, but yes, I have that on this copy. It's crazy to see this photo this big. I'm actually really excited to put these on my wall of Utada albums now. Okay, that took me a minute because I'm being extremely careful with these. I'm just as excited as you guys are for this release. So yeah, that dust was just part of that plastic wrap, and it seems to be in perfect condition. I believe that these didn't come out with the previous Utada vinyls because they were under a different label. Utada released these under Island Def Jam, and Island got... Well, actually, Utada and the staff have never spoken on this. It's just my like theory, but Island kind of closed their doors, and I assume that their holdings were absorbed by Def Jam because they still exist. So the masters and copyright and everything, I'm assuming, were under their umbrella, and Utada is signed to Universal now. So I'm assuming there were a lot of hoops to jump through to grab the masters in order to remaster the tracks and release these. But here they are, and they are colored discs. I don't know if you remember me complaining about the other album vinyls that they're all just plain black, but yes, very excited. So here we have the lyrics printed. There's no disc on this side. I'm struggling to get this paper out without bending it. Okay, this paper is very delicate. I can already put like little dents in it. So it says on here it's still copyright Island Def Jam Music Group. So those are the Japanese translations. Okay, so we only have one disc, side 1 and side 2. Wait, I thought this was gonna be colored vinyl. Okay, why was I just going on about that? Exodus is colored, right? I thought this one was pink and Exodus is purple. Am I wrong? Okay, well, I'm so dumb. Comes with this plastic slip like I was talking about. See how like they kind of crunch when you put them back in, and it's just really hard to get them flush with that sleeve. So okay, this is the one, black disc. And then we have Exodus, same sort of thing. It has like dust on here. Beautiful purple color, just like the regular album release. Okay, here she is. There's the interior. Really nice design, just like the regular album. I like how they use the font for the song titles. Please God. No! Are you kidding me? Why? I'm really disappointed. Why? Someone please explain.
I just want to tell you that some people have war in their countries.
Frig. I'm really mad at this. Like, I was just so looking forward to seeing those pink and purple discs. Okay, so it looks like we have the Japanese translation here once again. So do I have the misprint one? Because as far as I know, they haven't fixed the master of this song. Also, this is pissing me off. There's 4 tracks on this side and 3 on this side. And same thing with this. 3 tracks and then 4 tracks. I know there's nothing you can do if there's an odd number of songs, but yeah, I'm actually so disappointed by this. The cover art looks gorgeous, of course, but I was just so excited we got colored vinyl discs and they're in my favorite colors. First world problems, I know. Okay, so what happened with CD Japan here? I'll just open this album while I talk. I'm pretty sure I ordered like the slow shipping because shipping is so expensive, and then a few days after this was supposed to ship to me, I got an email from CD Japan saying that I couldn't ship in that method because the box was too heavy. And as you can see, it's not like a ton of stuff, and I've ordered vinyls through them before. Okay, you guys want to see the photo cards I got? Yosong. It's just one in there. So I had to upgrade the shipping, and they wanted me to upgrade to EMS, and I emailed back and said I'd rather do FedEx priority if I could. So then they said yes, and then I had to like go through this link to pay another $20-something to upgrade the shipping. But I had noticed, which was alarming, that in their email they had said if you don't reply within 3 days of receiving this email, then we will automatically use this shipping method and charge your card. And I thought that was shady. I don't know if that's legal. Someone advised on that. I didn't look at their terms of service or anything like that yet. But what happened was they sent the email on a day when I had off, and I was like driving to Montreal, and I didn't check my emails at all. And then the next day was Canada Day, so I don't usually check my emails on holidays either, but I happened to check at the end of the day and I saw that one. So if I hadn't seen the email, they would have just charged my card and sent it through EMS, which I didn't want. And I don't know, I just think that's very weird that they can just go ahead and charge whatever amount they want to your card without your permission. Okay, so here's the album in case anyone's interested. This is making me feel like a 13-year-old girl. They always have stunning photo shoots. Okay, let's see which photo cards I got. Group mini poster. Oh. I don't know what you would call this, like a postcard print. So are these all gonna be Yosong? Oh no, okay. Oh my god, yes, you know. Physical and emotional stability doesn't break easily. I don't know if you can actually play anything with these, but he looks pretty strong. Mingi and Wooyoung. Not my favorites, but decent pulls. I do really love so I really like this one. Yeah, let me know if you picked up these vinyls and if you got the colored ones. I don't know if maybe there was just a very limited run of the colored vinyls, like it was very first press, and I waited too long to order them because I was broke, so I missed out. But yeah, I'm disappointed in that, but still glad I can have these to put up on my wall, and maybe someday I'll buy a record player So thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to this person who commented and gave me the push to record a new video because I had this stuff for a few days already. And I will talk to you guys in the comments and see you in the next video. Bye.